The final witnesses have wrapped up their testimony at the Police Act hearing for two Thunder Bay police officers who were involved in the 2015 Stacey DeBungee death investigation. The two officers charged with neglect of duty and discreditable conduct have taken the stand, and now all that's left are closing submissions next week from the prosecution and the defense. Vasilios Bellows reports.
Day 6 of the proceedings saw Staff Sergeant Sean Harrison complete his time on the stand that began Monday. Harrison has already pleaded guilty to a neglect of duty charge, admitting his failure to meet with private investigator David Perry, who had information on the case. During cross-examination, Harrison continued to deny racial bias played any role in DeBungee's death investigation, but did say he noticed mostly people from the Indigenous community falling in rivers in Thunder Bay during his career. Detective Sean Whipple, who has pleaded not guilty to both charges, also took the stand on Tuesday. During his testimony, he stressed that he was not the primary officer on the DeBungee investigation and had other cases ongoing at the same time. Whipple stated he had never heard of DeBungee prior to arriving at the sudden death scene on the McIntyre River and had no knowledge of DeBungee's history with alcohol. Whipple went on to say he has always had a great relationship with the Indigenous community, testifying he had once received a call from an officer with the Anishinaabe Police Service who asked for his help regarding a sexual assault case involving an Indigenous woman. The prosecution did question Whipple about whether he took part in any multicultural training in his career, with him stating he had in either 2014 or 2015, but he also admitted that more recent opportunities had to be canceled because of his workload. Now that all witnesses have been called and testified, the hearing has been adjourned until Thursday of next week. It will take place at the Victoria Inn and feature the closing submissions from both the prosecution and defense teams. Vasilios Bellows, TBT News.